What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Carolina Styles, and I am back with another video. Hey, Boost Auto Parts, man. Appreciate y'all. Love my new sponsor, man. They going crazy right now. Got another upgrade for y'all today. And of course, I'm going to drop the link in the description because I know the people who got 07 to 14 Yukon, Tahoe, Silverado, Suburban, whatever you got, Denali, whatever you got, you going to want this. Just like the keypad, but you really gonna want this. Hey man, so I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy so I can show you exactly what I got. Let's get it. Now, you can see it's still sealed now, still sealed, so I ain't gonna show it because y'all gonna get my address. Y'all don't need it, so go ahead and open this up. I already know what it is, but go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna show y'all what we got here. There we go. I ripped the whole goddamn box pack, man. Make sure ain't nothing else. Hey, they sent me another one. I'm telling y'all, I love them, man. I mean, I got one already, but they sent me another one. So you know, we gonna keep one in the Yukon, cause you know, every now and then I like to get a little Michelob Ultra or something. You know what I'm saying? But basically what we got is a wireless phone charger for your armrest for the Yukon, man. And go ahead and open everything up and show you exactly how everything look up in here. I will be installing this on camera too, so I can show you exactly how to install it. Because a lot of people who get these, they don't have them already programmed into the Yukon, the Tahoe, or Silverado. Some of them come with it, some of them don't. This is for the vehicle. This is for the ones that don't come with it. So, you know, this right here is the actual charging pad right here. You just set your phone on it, man. In fact, I got another phone I can show you how to do. And it got the little pad right here that's protecting the actual charger piece. So basically all that happens is this right here, the little piece that's in your truck, you're gonna take that out and you're gonna replace with this. And your phone just sit on that and it automatically charges. Simple as that. I know this is the OG phone. This is why I started my YouTube channel right here, man. It's the OG. But also got the wire kit right here. And let me show y'all, because this is important to me. This is something that I really like that they did. And this is how I tell the quality of their stuff is top tier. Because they actually give you a fuse. And the fuse automatically comes with it. You got the plug and play right here. And if you don't know how to do it, they will definitely send you a link to show you how to do it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I did watch the link. Well, I'm about to watch the link. And then I'm gonna install it for y'all and show y'all how to do it. But appreciate my sponsor, man. Boost Auto Parts, the #1 top tier. I really appreciate them, man. This is basically a plug and play system, man. And I'm gonna show y'all exactly what y'all need to do. So, with that being said, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or tomorrow. Today is Sunday. Labor Day is tomorrow. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna install it tomorrow or not. 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna install it tomorrow because I got a couple of stuff that I bought for my spot and I'm about to hook that up first. And then I just wanna relax for the rest of the day because it's like 7. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up in the morning. We can go ahead and install this bad boy. All right, so it's the next day. And I ate, whatever, got myself situated a little bit. So now it's time for me to go ahead and go outside and start this process on hooking this up. It's a very simple, easy install. So let me go ahead and grab this stuff. And I'll pick the camera back up once I get up in that beast. All right, so y'all can see I'm in the truck. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a little bit of time to cool off. So I got the AC blowing, I'm gonna let it cool off in here a good little second, and then I'm gonna show y'all the process on how to take it off. It's a very simple process. You just gotta I'll show you what you gotta do. So basically, you gotta take these screws out. So you got all those Phillips screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 of those screws, and then you gotta pop the panel out back here. And once you pop that panel out back here, you'll be able to get to the cigarette lighter. Then you just basically plug and play. So let it cool down in here for a quick second. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this stuff down while the AC is going and show y'all what it do. All right, so I done took it outside, as y'all can see. So I took the screws out of this and couldn't take the screws. When I took the screws out of this, I realized it's just this right here popping up. If you look on the back, that little piece right there did not come off. It does fit in here flush, but I got to do a small modification to it. So I got to drill a hole big enough for this wire right here to go through, because it sits at the top and it sits pretty good right here, but because of this wire and the plastic, I forgot exactly what you call that. Don't get on me in the comment section. But I got to drill a hole big enough for that stuff to go through it. Then I had the wire coming through the back part right here to the arm. And I had the wire coming through right here where the arm is at, right here on this side. Had the wire going down into that panel, and I'll show you how to fully hook it up from there. But I'm about to go ahead and drill this hole real quick and show you how it sits flush in here. So y'all just give me a second. And don't mind the ketchup, man. I was eating, man. I'm in the living room, man. I'm in my living room, so you know I had to eat. So I mean, had some little hash browns, whatever, you know what I'm saying. But let me go ahead and get to work. Alright, so I'm sweating because I ain't put the AC on. Let me put the AC on. Anyway, so alright, so we basically got it down packed now, you know what I'm saying? Just a small little fabrication, small little fabrication to what I had to do. I got it in, but I'll show you how as you can see, it sits firmly in there. And the only thing I had to do is cut a hole right there. Just cut a little small hole for this to fit through. Only thing I'm gonna do is just have it come down a little bit. Had the wire run down right here. Put it in. So let's go ahead and go back to the truck. Go ahead and start putting everything together. Show y'all how to take that back part off, and it's basically a plug and play process. So even if your truck do not come with the wireless charger, you can make it happen. I just wanted to let y'all know. So if it looked like this underneath it, all you gotta do is drill one hole and it fits firmly in there. And you just sit your phone down like that and it'll charge your phone. But let's go ahead and go on outside because I got somewhere to go after this. Go ahead and put this back together and I'm gonna slide in the truck and show y'all that thing work. All right, let me cut this AC down a little bit. All right, so as you can see, I got some important paper, that's why I'm holding it like this. But as you can see, I got the wire in, I got it hooked back up. So now I just gotta put this cover over there. And once I put that cover on, I'm gonna have it going through here, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to the back and pull this panel piece back here at the back. I'm gonna pull that back and then feed the wire through here. And I'll show y'all how to plug and play it. All right, so you gotta pop this out right here. You just go to the top part right here and push this out. There ain't nothing but clamps in. So you can just go for the top right here and pull it out. So basically, the rest of your wire is gonna go through here. You're gonna go into this cigarette lighter. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. It's straight plug and play. But before, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two screws so I can actually pull this back so I can feed my wire in. All right, as you can see, I unplugged this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug the one that comes from the actual wireless charger. You're gonna plug this in here, like so. I'm plugging it. You're gonna plug it in until you hear it click, like that. And then you're gonna grab this one and plug this in. I'm trying to do it with one hand so y'all can see it. like this. Boom. Remember, you got a fuse, so if it stops working, as you can see, it's on right now. If it stops working, the fuse will blow. There's something going on with it. And you see, you got all this excess wire. Just put it down here. Just shove all of it down here, and then you pick it up, flip it and pick it up and put it back on. But I gotta put the screws in first. All right, so I got it on. Works perfectly fine. Covers on. Closes and opens like it's supposed to. As you can see, I got the wire right here, and you can see the lights on. So let me go ahead and show you that it works. So I'm just gonna set my old phone right here, and we're just gonna wait for it to come on. I might have to take the case off. Nope, sure don't. Show y'all that it works just like that. And you can see it's charging because it got the color the blue light on. But yes, sir. As y'all see, I had to throw that shirt on. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go pull up on my dog. That shirt really, really, really comfortable. I love the material it's made of, man. For real, for real. And I ain't just gonna gas these people up. I ain't gonna gas these people up just to gas them up. I'm really gassing them because they make quality work, and I love the work that they make. But y'all can see, charger's working, wireless charger. Now we got a wireless charger in there, so just in case if I have somebody in the truck, I can use my charger right here, and they can use the charger right there. I don't ride too many anyway, and most of the time, you know, it only be like 2 people down here that I actually ride. So it's like, they can put their phone right there, and I can put my phone on the charge, and we good to go. But this is the end of the day's video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification button up. Come rock with the Styles Gang. Y'all know my slogan. Y'all know how I get down. 2023 was my year, but 2024, we doing some more, baby. And 2025, we on the rise. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Hey, birthday coming real soon, so you know I'm gonna drop a video for my birthday. On my birthday, I'm gonna drop a video. I promise y'all that. So next week, look for another video. So, you know what I'm saying? Lord, spread my light. Anyway, this your boy, Carolina Styles, man. I'm signing out. Peace. Hey, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a mother and friend to come rock with me, man. Peace.